Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today here at Crypto.com, looking at a couple big holdings I have. First, Bitcoin, doing okay, hanging on to that $23,000 mark that we so badly need. You can see we have a pattern of build up and then back off a little, build up and back off. So hopefully this pattern is going to continue and we're going back to where we came from. Up here to 40,000. Whew. All right, let's get past 30 first. But long term, Bitcoin's going up. So today, Polygon MATIC is the theme of the video. Now, you can see I recently got some MATIC back. I got 265 back. My stake expired here at Crypto.com. We're up to 90 cents. Whew. That's pretty good. From where we were just a month ago, we are up a lot. All right. So let's go take a look at what we have right now. Right now we have $665 about. 3 different stakes. Expires in 30 days, 42 days, and 63 days. So, kind of evenly spaced, kind of, sort of. Anyway, it's a 3-month term, so 90 days. So if I can do this every once in a while, we'll have consistent income. And that's really what I'm looking for. Alright, so let's add another batch of Polygon MATIC. And the rate we're going to get here should be 11%. Good luck trying to get that on any savings account, although it's not risk-free return. Reminder, remember what happened to Celsius? Remember what happened to Voyager? Well, they're still kind of in limbo, but bankrupt. Haven't heard anything about Crypto.com. But you never know. We'll keep an eye on it. Be sure you guys subscribe. So here we go. 3-month term, 11%, 250 MATIC. About $220 currently. Going to 1,000. Matic's gone to $5 a coin. Oh, expired. What the heck? Let's try that again. I'm talking too much. Alright, you guys can see we went up to 885 and 3-month terms. We have the most recent one expires in 89 days, basically 90 days, at 11%. Pretty good return on investment. Can't beat 11% plus whatever the base currency happens to do. So let's go back into the account and let's see if we can find the Polygon MATIC. Oh, it's still right there. That's weird. All right. So we have about, there we go. 90 MATIC left. So I'm trying to build up to that place where I can get another round of 250 and I can put it in there. But 90 cents, wow, we're up a lot. So over the last few months, we saw MATIC go down significantly. Down here at 30 cents, 33 cents, I bought some. Man, I should have bought a whole bucket of load more because that would have been 3x by now. Dang, I should put $1 million in. Could have had 3 million on the other side. Hopefully you guys are subscribed to the channel and you did that. So, anyway, I did it with a little. So I went from, I don't know, 20 bucks to 60 bucks. Yes! Can't retire on that kind of money, but it does form the basis of a solid investment for the future. When this thing hits $5, it's going to be awesome. So anyway, guys, that's all I have for today. That's how you stake here at Crypto.com and earn 11% interest and beat the banks by, I don't know, 5x interest at least. So be sure you guys subscribe and join up the channel. Thanks for watching.